Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Today we're going to look at this maths question. We need to factorize the following completely. So we need to factorize this question A, 2m squared. So 2m squared is 2m times m. So we get 2m squared. Then we look at this one on the right hand side, 3n squared. 3n squared is n times 3n. We get 3n squared. But where do we put the negative? Okay, we'll take a look at it later because this is negative. Whether should it put on the top one or the bottom one? Now we look at the third one. This is 5mn. Okay, I put a negative here. Okay, let's take a look first. So I cross multiply here. 2 times 3 is actually 6mn. This is positive. If I put a negative here, I'll get minus mn. And if I add them together, I get positive 5mn, which is correct, positive 5mn. Whereas I put the negative here, if I put a negative on the minus 3n, then I will not be able to get positive 5mn. Okay, so this will be the answer. So now I will need to write down the answer. It's actually this factor over here, 2m minus n. And the other factor will be the one at the bottom, m plus 3n. Okay, so I factorize this completely for the first one. How about the second one? Second one, take a look at this. X minus y. This one is y minus x. Looks quite similar, but not exactly the same. So let's try to change this to x minus y. So it looks like it's the same as the one in front. So we have px minus py. We want to put a negative in front. So this will become negative qy plus qx. Okay, now you take a look. It's actually x minus y. Okay, this one is also x minus y. So now they are exactly the same. So I'll take out x minus y, which is the common factor. This one, q is common, so I take out q here. So x is positive, so I write it in front. Y is negative, so I write it behind. You see, x minus y is common. So I take out x minus y. So what is left behind now? Left behind is p and q. So I'll put p minus q. So now I have factorized it completely. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you are a miracle.